Matapos mapanumpa ni Pangulong Aquino ang mga opisyal ng iba't ibang grupo ng mga negosyante, hinimok ng Pangulo na magkaroon ng matatag na kolaborasyon ang publiko at pribadong organisasyon upang maisulong ang paglago ng ekonomiya ng bansa.
Isinulong ni Pangulo Aquino ang iba pang tulungan sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at pribadong sektor. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo sa oath-taking ng mga bagong opisyal ng Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Employers Confederation of the Philippines, PhilExport at Anvil Business Club.
So while I know that monitoring internal and external developments is an important part of any successful business strategy, perhaps it would be wise to shun a culture of myopia and temper the urge for knee-jerk reactions. Let me The peso-dollar fluctuations affect everyone differently. When our currency is strong, some industries view it with apprehension, and sometimes that apprehension appears in the news the following day. And of course, the converse is also true. For our part, in any and every endeavor, government must also think strategically, looking at long-term trends and not being swayed by the minute fluctuations that happen daily. May we invite you to also do the same. Together, we can focus on solutions that redound to stronger industries and stronger working relationships between government and the private sector.
Ibanaan niya ang sitwasyon ngayon dahil sa umiiral na patas at tuwid na pamunuan.
Almost 4 years after I took office, it is not an exaggeration to say that the Philippines is already experiencing a taste of this hopefully lasting progress. That when I ask businessmen like you about how your enterprises are faring, you can answer confidently that you are doing better than ever. Just a couple of weeks ago, Secretary Butchabad observed that there seems to be a general disconnect between the front page and the business page. How so many business groups are gung-ho about the Philippines while others just stop short of prophesying doom. You have my gratitude for recognizing and acknowledging the great strides the Philippines has made.
Pagtiyak pa ng Pangulo, hindi naman mapupunta sa walang mataas sa kumpiyansa ng business community sa ekonomiya ng Pilipinas.
Rest assured, your optimism is not unfounded. The Philippines has made huge jumps in various competitiveness rankings and has also received a unanimous investment grade rating from all 3 major credit ratings agencies. Investments are up. For example, net FDI increased by 20% from $3.22 billion in 2012 to $3.86 billion in 2013.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio.